Hi guys, this is Jake with Think Free Live Free, and I'm busy with trying to get my kitchen unit set up. All the IKEAs in this area has been out of any kind of kitchen units, and I decided to buy one. It's just going to be cheaper for me to buy one than actually make it myself, and the quality will be a lot better than if I made it myself. But before I can get to that, I had to make this shelf here. It houses my trash can and my computer there, and then right now it's space for clothes. However, it's probably going to become space for the kitchen area. So my kitchen is going to go in this area here up to about where this orange bin is. It's a 4-foot kitchen unit cabinet. So, but the thing that I'm currently working on is when I constructed this shelf, it's a long shelf. I believe it's about 57 inches in height. The width is 9 inches and the depth is about 18 inches. I constructed it in a way so that I can put my microwave on top. So I'm currently going to be working on building a small box that my microwave can fit in, and then the microwave will sit up here. Tomorrow I have to drive an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes, something like that, to San Diego. There IKEA got some of those kitchen cabinet units in, so I ordered one, but I have to drive and go get that. So I'll put that together, and then I can install my sink, get my sink put in, and my faucets. Hopefully it's helpful in some way to you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. Alright guys, so I'm trying to make a box for the microwave so the microwave can sit in the box and be secured inside of the box. However, this wall is angled, as well as the ceiling is angled, so I kind of traced things out and made pretty much a cardboard template to get that fit in there before I cut my wood pieces. So as you can see there, it's a little bit shorter. I just made the template for the angled parts, and then I will extend my piece of wood when I cut that out to that. So any kind of templates, it really takes time to get it right, especially when you're dealing with angled surfaces and whatnot. So yeah, take your time, be patient, get it right the first time. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the pieces for the microwave box. I got my first piece cut. As you can see, it fits in there pretty tightly. I had to skim off a little bit on the top here just so that it has a nice tight fit there, but I am happy with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other piece and then the bottom, and we'll get that nailed down and painted, and then I can get the microwave in there. So I got all my pieces cut, so I'm gonna go ahead and nail that all together now, and after that I'm gonna sand it really good, and then I need to paint it, and then I can install it. So it's finally completed. All I have to do now is paint and install the cabinet. As you can see here, these lines are straight on this side, But this line and the back, I had to contour to the roof and to the back of the wall. So I'm about to paint this. I also had to add a little holes for a vent for the microwave so it can vent from the side. And I had to put a stop in the back here. And then this is my final stop for the front so that once the microwave is in there, it cannot move while I'm driving. And also I put a little stop on the one side so that when you open the door, there's enough space on this side for the microwave to open easy. So I finished the microwave. I got that installed. I'll show you here in a second how that looks. I had to drive down to San Diego yesterday, so about a 2-hour drive down, 2-hour drive back to go pick up my kitchen unit. It finally did come in. I've been waiting for that for over a month now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that together. A lot of parts. Alright, so I installed the microwave unit. See there? It sits on top of this other shelf, and then I also screwed it into the ceiling there. I had to put a piece of lock wood in there to lock it in place. But I think it's gonna work just fine. So 3 boxes for the kitchen unit. Cost me $130. I cannot make the quality for that. So, and then lucky me, I got a whole book of instructions on putting this together. So that is the project for today. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see there, it's coming together. A lot of instructions, a lot of parts, a lot of screws and bolts and little wooden dowels. So I got the cabinet all put together. I just have to put on the doors and the drawer and some of the shelves. It took me a little bit longer because I had to paint the back side here because some of the back is going to be exposed to the outside. So I actually painted that. It was not painted. Okay, so I showed you how I put this together. So this has got one drawer on this side, and then we've got a couple of shelves on this side, and then this is the big open space where I'm going to put a 5-gallon bucket for my drain. I'm also going to put the sink on this side. So the next thing is to cut a round hole for the sink and then put that in there. The back end is open. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel that I might cover that up at some point. I'm also gonna need to put some kind of handles on it. So I went ahead and took the countertop off. This is the bottom side of the countertop. I used the sink to draw a line, a circular line here. And then I went in about 1 inch and I did pre-drill a hole for my jigsaw blade to start. So I'm going to cut this out in a circle here and then I'm going to drop the sink in there. So we got a hole cut out. So now I will test fit that, make sure that fits nicely, and then we can get our sink put in there. It's fitting in there nicely. So the edge of this, I have to silicone this edge so that water can penetrate through that. The reason I had to do these cutouts is there's these tabs that secure the sink in place. So I finished installing the kitchen sink. I installed the faucet, and then the water purifier faucet, and then a little soap dispenser. This can also pull out, and this can also twist around to the outside. This will be by my sliding door, so you'll be able to use it on that side as well. I didn't film the entire install. I really had to get things done. That's basically my kitchen unit. The next thing to do is install it in the van and hook up water to it. So at some point I'll be getting to my water tank. For the moment, if we do need to use a sink, we'll be able to brush teeth in here and stuff, and just put a bucket on the bottom to catch the water. It's at least useful in that sense immediately, because we are going to be in the van very soon. As you can see, it's halfway out by the sliding door. So here's your entryway coming in. The only thing I have to do is secure it to the floor and then connect the water, but that is still an ongoing process. But there you can see with the microwave unit at the top there, this will be my cutting area where I can prep food and stuff. So yeah, it's all coming together slowly. Alright guys, so that's the kitchen unit. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the content, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching this week, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.